Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and right now I'm in Narnia, also known as Northern Scottsdale if you live in Gilbert. It's about a 60-minute, 1-hour drive for me, and we're going to be test driving the brand new McLaren Artura, I think is how you pronounce it. It almost looks like a 570S or like a 600 GT for like the McLaren. Very excited to share the experience with you guys. Comment down below what you think about the new McLaren. I'm here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I just got done test driving this bad boy back here, and this is the McLaren Artura that is set to be released. And I wanted to share 3 things that I learned about the brand new McLaren Artura. Make sure that if you learn something new that you drop a thumbs up, and of course consider subscribing. The first thing is, what is the starting price point? Something that I always have to ask, especially with these supercars. You might think because it's a hybrid supercar, think about it, what it's competing with. Cars over $500,000 when it comes down to the price point. McLaren Artura is going to be starting at $230,000. Now, for $230,000 to get a hybrid supercar, what exactly does that mean? Well, that means that it has an electric motor. So if you've ever suffered from turbo lag at the lower speeds, then fear no more, the McLaren Artura has you covered. Now, what is the horsepower on this hybrid supercar? You can hear another one. Oh, that's actually the MP412C, but the actual horsepower on this one, I thought it was very similar to the 570S when I first looked at it. It has more than 100 horsepower than my previous 570S. This thing has 670 horsepower. Now, what does that mean? Well, my boy Andrew here at McLaren just took me out for a spin. I drove for a bit, he drove for a bit, and it's insane what this car can do. I don't know if there's a McLaren dealership near you, but all I have to say is that this car is going to be a McLaren 2023 Artura, and it's set to be released in about 2 to 3 months. You guys need to comment down below what's your favorite thing, and I hope you enjoy this edit.